This is called a Texas car wash. When it rains really, really hard, you drive your car in and out from under the carport, and it's just like going through a car wash. This works really, really well. We've tried it with all of our cars. Does a great job.